Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. How are you? Okay, in this session we are going to show you uh, how we can connect to a SAP. As you know, SAP is the world leading uh, ERP system, and it is vastly used. It's a widespread, popular ERP application, and very highly paying and very popular. And most of the large scale companies are moving towards the SAP. So in this session, we will show you how you can connect to SAP, and 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 then later on how you can get the country list, for example, right? A code which is written in ABAP, SC38 screen will open, it will execute it, and it will show you the country list, all with the click of button. Yes. So Excel will be using the automation with the SAPGUI-Scripting. We will explain you everything how to set it up. So let's get started with first. Before going to connect to SAP, you need certain credentials to be entered. So this setup button is here, which will take once for all the information which you need to log in, all your credential. When you enter, they are stored in it, so that later on you don't have to mention it. So with the click of button, it will take your ID, your password, your server settings, etc., and it will have you connected to the SAP without any problem. So the setup screen depends on this setup sheet, and in which all your credentials are stored. When you click on the setup, uh, means when you click on the SAP logon, and so you will have to enter all these information. So these are one for all entered and stored in the setup sheet, so that you don't have to do it again, because uh, doing this manually risks you that your account is logged out due to unsuccessful attempts, and then you have to bother the business team uh, again and again. Sometimes the people who make the typing mistake in this, so their accounts are logged, and they have to bother your colleagues, the business colleagues, to unlock it. So if you're using this way, so computer is not going to make any mistake in the typing mistake, right? So in typing your IDs and password and other information, so they are rightly entered, and this is going to save the times of your team as well, and an ease of use for you to just click of button and you're log on. So you click it, and you will see that it will log in on. So clicking start. So now this is going to uh, log you on to the SAP. It will run the SAP GUI application. It will enter your credentials in here, yeah, and password and everything. And then it will make sure that you are on the SAP Easy Access initial screen, from where you can enter your T code like C38 and whatever the T codes you want to automate. Okay, so today we are using this, in which SE38 will be executed as soon as you click it. You say click, so so it has executed it, and country list uh, object is being loaded, and then it is going to be executed. And the OK button is means you are through it. As soon as you click OK, it will close it out. So before, if you want to continue on this screen, do not click OK. Just do whatever you want in this sheet. You want to go to the code, or you want to scroll down up or wherever. And once you're free, then you can click OK, and then it is going to show you the process complete. And the system is okay. So this is what I wanted to share with you, that how you can use these information uh, to automate. You can use the VBA to develop some automation involving SAP procedures, and calling the SAP Tcodes, executing them, and it's not just for running SE38. It The purpose of telling you is that you can do anything, even the entry of your transactions. If you are in you are entering purchase data, you want to enter the master records of material, or if you are in SD, you are uh, using some other Tcode XD02, XD01, or VA01, VA02, whatever. So you can use these T codes to automate it. So you will have the advantage of speed and accuracy, and the chances of typing error are virtually eliminated. All you need to make sure that what the data you are doing, you are providing to the system, that is correct. That's fine. The rest is no typing mistake. That is, you will not come across such a thing, that some typing mistake, the human error has occurred, because this all is automated. I hope you like this idea, and in upcoming videos, we will be using the English versions of these things, although in Hindi and Urdu we have already explained all that. So this is for our users, for who want to see all these presentation in the English language. I hope uh, you would like these all these presentation and support our channel, and with your support we will uh, develop a full-fledged tool in which you will enter here uh, the T code, and you will enter here the report which you have entered, and then the T code will automatically, and later on the variants, certain variants can also be automated. Means if you want to run a report with a particular variant, so that can also be automated. Yeah. And once the report is executed, you may need automation of the layouts. So with your desired layout, desired variant, the report can be executed, or the process can be done with the particular preferences, user preference. Okay. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in our next video.